Are you ready to allow money and success to flow to you in avalanches of abundance? If so, you're in the right place, because in today's episode, I'm going to give you my top 5 tips on how to train your subconscious mind to allow more money to flow into your life. But before I do this, if you're new to my channel and if you'd like more videos like this one, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join the community. Hi, I'm Joveline, a money mindset mentor and hypnotherapist, and I help entrepreneurs release their money blocks and limiting beliefs so they can attract more success and wealth into their life. Now, to manifest wealth, it's crucial to understand the role that your subconscious mind plays, especially when it comes to the law of attraction. Everything within our universe is all energy. That includes the physical objects that surround us, the people, the animals, our thoughts, our feelings, our emotions, and our actions. The law of attraction is a philosophy that suggests that like attracts like. So whatever you put out into the world, you attract into your life. So if you're happy and positive, you attract more happy and positive people, events, and situations. Your thoughts, feelings, and energy attracts similar energies from the universe. So if you want to attract more wealth, you need to align yourself, your thoughts, your emotions, and your energetic frequency with abundance. Now that you understand this, your subconscious mind also plays a crucial role within the law of attraction. Your subconscious mind is like a silent architect that sits behind the scenes, shaping your reality based on your thoughts and beliefs. Imagine your subconscious mind like an iceberg. The small tips of the iceberg that pops out above the water is your conscious mind. And this represents 10% of your thoughts and awareness. Now, this part of you analyzes, thinks, plans, and also holds your short-term memory. Now, underneath the water, that huge portion of ice, which we can't see, it represents 90% of your thoughts and awareness. And this represents your subconscious mind. Now, this is where long-term memories are held, habits, belief systems, even your psychic abilities and intuition lie within your subconscious. It's like a vast database that influences your thoughts, your feelings, and your actions without you consciously knowing it. Now, let's connect this with the concept of the law of attraction. The thoughts and beliefs that lives within your subconscious mind releases a frequency that aligns with similar energies within the universe. If your subconscious mind is filled with doubts, fears, or scarcity beliefs, this can send out a conflicting signal to the universe, which then stops the flow of wealth in your life. For example, if you're consciously doing wealth affirmations, but deep down you have this deep-seated belief of unworthiness or scarcity, your subconscious mind might sabotage your efforts. It's like trying to drive with one foot on the accelerator and one on the brake. But the good news is, you have the power to reprogram and retrain your subconscious mind. Techniques like the ones that I'll be talking about today can rewrite the scripts that you currently have about wealth, which might be embedded deep in your subconscious and which might also be blocking your money flow. When these positive thoughts and beliefs become ingrained, they can then align with the frequency of abundance, aligning with the frequency of the law of attraction. So by consistently practicing these techniques, it sends a clear message to your subconscious that you are deserving of wealth and abundance, and that you believe that it will happen. As you change the programming in your mind, you send out a more powerful and aligned signal to the universe. Remember, retraining your subconscious mind is not an overnight process. It requires consistency, patience, and a genuine commitment to transforming your subconscious beliefs. So be gentle with yourself as you navigate the journey, and be sure you celebrate the small wins that you have along the way. Most of all, don't give up. Even if you think nothing is happening, just keep going. If you like this video so far, please hit that like button. And if you want more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe. Okay, so what are the techniques that you can do to retrain your subconscious mind for wealth? The first step is to set clear intentions. Your subconscious mind is like a magnet. It will attract anything that you think about. So be clear on what you desire. Know exactly how much money you want. Decide on the exact date on when you want this money by. And ask yourself what you intend to give in return for this money. And then write this all down. By writing it down on paper, you are taking it from thought to action. By being clear on what you want, this clarity alone will help you manifest the money that you intend to attract. It's like the North Star that will show you the way to your desires. Now, the next step is vital to manifesting the wealth that you desire, and that is to believe and have faith that it will happen. Now, this part is one of the hardest but absolutely essential parts of your journey. Because if you don't believe in your goals, or that you are capable of achieving it, or that it will happen, you can sabotage your efforts. But if you get this right, and you blend faith with the vibration of your thoughts, the subconscious mind instantly picks up that vibration and will start to manifest it into your reality. There are two ways with which you can strengthen your faith and your belief. One is to use the power of affirmations, creating positive, present tense affirmations relating to your wealth, such as I am open to receive more money and success, can retrain your subconscious mind towards abundance rather than lack. The key is to start with affirmations that's easy for your subconscious to believe. Then combine this with vivid visualizations of your goals. Use the power of your imagination to see and imagine every detail of the achievement of your desire. See it happening now, and then supercharge it with positive emotions and feelings. What does it feel like to achieve this? This technique sends a powerful message to the universe, because not only are you visualizing the dream coming true, you're also adding emotion, which supercharges the manifestation. As your subconscious begins to align with your conscious desires, you'll start to witness a shift in your experiences. You'll start to notice that doors will open, opportunities will arise, people who can help you will show up in your life, and you'll find yourself moving effortlessly towards the wealth and abundance you want to manifest. The next step is gratitude. I believe that feelings of gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions that can break the cycle of lack mentality and scarcity mentality. When you operate from a scarcity mindset, you operate at a low frequency, which really isn't aligned with the frequency of wealth and abundance. Gratitude is the key to unlocking abundance. When you see the world from a state of gratitude, you are looking through the lens of abundance. You are focused on what you have and not what you don't have. You are focused on possibilities rather than limitations. Remember, a grateful heart attracts more into your life. So create a regular gratitude practice each day and watch as the magic unfolds. The next step is to act as if you already have the wealth that you desire. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to overspend pretending that you are rich. It means adopting the mindset and behaviors of someone who is financially successful. For example, if you want to manifest more wealth into your life so you can buy your dream home, then start looking for your dream house, even if you don't have the money to buy it yet. Go out and inspect some houses. Walk around and visualize yourself living in that home. Feel what it feels like to own a dream house like that, and try to dress the part. When you act as if, the universe will shift to your newfound confidence. It'll align with the frequency that you're now putting out, and it'll help you manifest everything that you need easily and effortlessly. I'd like to hear from you. What would you like to manifest into your life? When would you like to achieve it? And what are you willing to do to achieve this? Please share it in the comments below. And if you'd like to kickstart your wealth manifestation journey, I have a free, powerful visualization meditation that you can download to speed up the manifestation of your dreams. So click on the link below or visit jovelinehead.com. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you want more videos like this one. I hope you like this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.